So what was your expectations from the customer services team from when you have joined the organization?
Actually, nothing. I didn't know anything about the customer service team. In fact, I was surprised when I joined this place that why would a real estate company have customer service? Because my prior experience as a customer of real estate industry was that you are a customer and you have sales and marketing team as single point of contact for answering all your queries, even if after handing over of the unit. So I was a little surprised. And then during my induction, I met Ajay Nambiar. I was like really amazed to see that kind of personality heading customer service. And then onwards, I started looking into the detail as to what customer service is all about and learned about the function.
So how do you perceive this customer services team has evolved in 3 to 4 years of time?
It's much more engaged now. It's much more engaged not only with the customer but within the organization as well. Earlier, probably the interaction between customer and customer service team was limited on certain queries, but unfortunately, with delays around, customer also started asking lot many questions, and we were able to kind of answer. Customer service was able to answer those questions pretty well. As far as the later part is concerned, we'll now look at customer service team interacting more with sales and projects and at times with coordination as well and trying to find out what is the best answer to be given to the customer when he asking all this question. So it's much more remote now.
So when you meet the MRMGF partners, what is their perception about the customer services team, about MRMGF?
No doubt that it's best in class, and we have seen so many customers also coming in and approaching us and says at least one thing is good about MRNGO, which is the customer service, whether it is the collection part or handling of any queries. Yes, you will always have some customer not happy with the company, including customer service, too, but that's very low in number.
Okay. So what do you appreciate about the team and their performance?
Team and performance, tricky question. Seems you guys are making your careers. What I appreciate is the customer centric approach. So it's customer centric approach. Even at times when we do audit, that is the time when we interact with customer service team. They do consider us as their one of their internal customers, and usually are very kind of very helpful and cooperative in answering those questions. And it's nice.
As you know, there is a scope of improvement. Everywhere there is a scope of improvement. So what are your suggestions to customer services team?
That's a difficult question. What are my suggestions? I think customer service team, if they are engaged at the earlier stage of the project, it's instead of waiting for when customer starts complaining about something and then the customer service comes, it should be a little more proactive at the launch of the project itself, so that they should know what kind of issues they will face during interaction with the customer, and they'll be much better prepared. Not that they are not prepared now, but it will be more helpful.
Sir, in 4 words, please describe the team.
Best in class?
4 words, sir.
I can't do that. This is what I have.
It's done already. I can't do that.
Done?
Done, sir. Thank